chromatography, what we have to do, we have to wash our apparatus and dry it. Actually, it is not a chromatogram. Chromatogram is different, that is not present in our lab. Then also we are carrying out, we are utilizing the beaker instead of chromatogram. So this beaker will act as a chromatogram. Okay? Chromatogram is the container. Today we are carrying out thin layer chromatography. We remember that this is the analytical technique to identify the reaction condition or to monitor the reaction condition while carrying out the experiment. While carrying out the experiment in the sense synthesis of different kind of molecule or byproduct or synthesis of product or synthesis. We are going to monitor the reaction condition by doing the TLC as we have discussed in our theoretical aspect. Yeah. Okay. So now the chromatogram got ready. Now we'll cut our TLC plate. See here we are using this one as a chromatogram. Okay. So these are the solvent what we have taken. One is ethyl acetate, another one is hexane, and next one is chloroform. So if our compound is getting eluted with hexane means we are going to use the hexane as stationary phase. If our compound is not getting eluted with the hexane, what we are using? We are using hexane with the ethyl acetate, or else we are using in the different proportion, solvent in different proportion, hexane plus chloroform. As I said, for TLC we are going from low polar solvent to high polar solvent, choosing of the stationary phase. If it is in combination, then we are going from low polar solvent to high polar solvent. Okay? So chromatogram got ready. The Wasif is coming along with the TLC plate. He was making ready the TLC plate. He was activating the TLC plate. Before starting our technique, the TLC plate should be in a active form. The plate should be, if the plates are in active form, then the capillary action is good. If the plate is absorbing, if plate got absorbed the moisture, then the capillary action will be slow. See, the Wasif made the ready plate. He has activated the plate. You have activated, no Wasif? Yes. Okay. Chalo, he was putting the. Now we are going to put that TLC plate in this manner. Now we are not putting this TLC plate right now. First what we have to do? We have to make our chromatogram saturated. How we are saturating this one? First of all, we are adding the stationary phase. Then we are closing the lid on this chromatogram. Because of that, the whole solvent will get evaporated or the chromatogram will get saturated. When it will get saturated, we are going to put our TLC plate. Okay? We'll see in the next